been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart.
Favoriet julle?
Everybody get up.
Hallo. Loads of fish. Loads. Fishing nou. Al visse wat Gerard vandag gesien het, was in die toilet gewees. En hulle was die lewend uit. Ja, die ou maak het vir skos. Yum yum, spicy.
The way you grab me, must wanna get nasty. Go ahead, get at me. What do we make dreams for when you got them jeans on? What do we need steam for? You the hottest bitch in this place. I feel so lucky. You wanna hug me? What rhymes with hug me? Okay, now he was close. Tried to domesticate you, but you're an animal. Baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? I don't quite know how to say how I feel. Those three words are said too much. They're not enough. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Ons is by daai berg daar gestap. Wag, ek moet gou inzoom. Dit is 'n massive berg. Deur die see na ons plek hierso. En dis baie mooi girls. So jy mag net vir my kyk. En hulle speel jou favourite liedjie. Ons is actually by Ibiza waar. Van alle plekke Ibiza. Wat ook al man. Ek kan nie meer praat, ek's te moeg. Kijk wat se bier drink jy daar? Jy hoeveelste eer is dit vir die vakansie?
100ste.
Ons celebrate Gerard se 100ste bier vir die vakansie. Oeh, broekie ryf. Dit is absoluut amazing. Beautiful.
Chasing cars around our heads.
Pad Maya buite, 2 km om die hoek.
To remind me
Daar's Maya by.
to find my Would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. All that I am, all that I ever was, is here in your perfect eyes. They're all I can see. I don't know where, confused about how as well. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. If I lay here
Gerard het my al 3 keer laat huil vanaand, maar ek weet nie of dit al die wyn is nie.
Kyk hier. Nee.
If you love somebody, better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when, well, then again it just depends on how long the time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest river. You can have it all, but now keep moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I've tried to cut these corners, tried to take the easy way out. I kept on falling short of something. I could have gave up then, but then again I couldn't have, 'cause I've traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
Tuk tuk.
'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh?
seated at the bonfire. We raise our glasses to the clear blue sky. Tell me your story and I'll tell you mine. Things will be better and I'm feeling fine. I hear those voices until late at night. All together and we feel alright, alright. I see their faces in the golden light. All together and we feel alright.
I'm alright, are you? I'm hundreds. Try picturing a whole lot of people out at my place. Everybody chilling by the pizza by the fireplace. I'll be in the back, marinating on the broad place. Beers in the keg, beers bringing out the wine case. It's a no phrase. If you got no space, just a nyama ogaya. If you're not disgraced, say it loud. Friday is my day. I treat it like it's a Friday.
So it's a fly day. And we call it a bride day, and then we do it our way. Cause it's so sensi. Cause every times are so natural in our country. Rata sunshine. So pull out your smiles. Come on, let's have a fun time. I call Deba and SGC. Cause in SA, the Evos are so fantastic.